Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make and use my rice water. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I made an IGTV video telling you guys about my results. And if you haven't already seen that, definitely go check it out. I give you guys the entire lowdown on the benefits of using rice water. So I'm going to jump right into this video and showing you guys how I make my rice water and how I use it. So definitely keep on watching. Yeah. So first of all, the first thing you're going to need obviously is some rice. It does not matter what kind of rice, basmati rice, long grain rice, jasmine rice, like rice is rice at the end of the day. It really doesn't matter. And you also need a jar or some kind of container to put your rice. I recommend using glass over plastic. I don't know, it just feels more sanitary. I don't even know if I'm correct, but that's just how I feel. But yeah, so first of all, what you're going to want to do is give your rice a good rinse. You want to get away any of the impurities from the processing or whatever. You just want to get anything on the body that is not like organic. So that's why you just go ahead and wash your rice. No big deal. I just wash it one time. You can wash it 2 times if you'd like, if you're extra like that, but one time is enough. So next I'm going to add some more water and I'm going to rub the rice together to get out the nutrients from the rice itself. Make sure I just kind of get what's it called? Just kind of let the benefits of the rice get into the water. So I just kind of rub the rice for like 2 to 3 minutes, nothing too major. So I'm just going to, after that, transfer the water into the bowl. Yeah, that's a mess. Yeah, if you have a funnel, please use a funnel because this was a bit of a mess because I didn't have a funnel. So after transferring the water into the glass jar, I went ahead to get a spoon to transfer the rice into the jar. And then I went ahead to also fill up the jar with some more water. Rice water has so many vitamins, minerals. It has vitamins A and E as well as C. It has antioxidants, amino acids, so it's rich in protein as well. So you have to keep that in mind. But it's so amazing. It improves growth, hair growth. It improves your shine. It improves elasticity, and it's just amazing. So this is my water after 2 weeks. You can see the bubbles on top. It is so alcoholic after this. Like, I usually like to ferment my rice water for no longer than 2 weeks. I have tried it for 3 weeks and it was just, yeah, no. I prefer doing it for 2 weeks because after 3 weeks it just stank too much. Like it was just excessive. So I went ahead to put the rice water into this spray bottle, and what I'm doing here is just trying to manipulate my hair and section it. So this is like my pre-poo step. So I use my rice water as my pre-poo. I know some people who use their rice water after washing their hair, but I don't know, but the kind of way this thing stinks is just like, I don't think I would just like to put it on clean hair. It's just not my thing. So I like to use it as a pre-poo. So I use it to like moisten my hair so it's easier for me to manipulate and to like section my hair off. When it comes to rice water, the way I apply it is I like to focus the rice water onto my scalp, because to me it's like, I feel like hair is like a plant. So if you're trying to water a plant, you're not actually concentrating on watering the actual leaves of the plant. So in this case, the leaves are like your hair, but you actually focus on pouring the water and the nutrients into the soil. When you're adding manure, you add manure to the soil, not the actual plant. So I like to focus the rice water on my scalp. I massage it in all my problem areas because genetically I have slightly thinner edges around my temple areas, so I like to concentrate the rice water there just to like make up for my genetic issues for lack of a better word. So then after massaging it into my scalp, I then go on to put it onto my ends, because obviously the ends of the hair are the oldest part of your hair, so it's a lot drier than the rest of the hair. But one thing I did notice, if you did watch my video on Instagram, I spoke about how my ends don't feel so dry anymore. Because before, like, if I run my finger through the shaft, once I get to the end, like an inch to the end, you can definitely feel a difference in moisture. Like, the ends feel significantly drier. But ever since I've been using rice water, that has just not been the case. Like, I don't know how it does what it does, but I'm impressed, I'm sold, and to further notice, rice water is going to be part of my wash day. So yeah, after putting the rice water, I did do a little bit of finger detangling, and then I followed up with a wide tooth comb, because I only like to comb my hair on wash day. Sometimes if I absolutely have to, I would do it in between, but I like to just wash my hair on wash day. And since that's like once every 2 weeks, I make sure to thoroughly detangle my hair, because obviously the next wash day is in 2 weeks. So I don't want to have matted hair, like carried over matted hair into the next week, and like that's not fun. So I like to do this. And so I just go ahead, when I finish a section, I twist it up and I put it into a bantu knot just to get it completely out of my way. Another thing I've noticed about rice water is how it has defined my curls. Because honestly, I didn't even know I had curls. I'm not even going to lie to you, because I just felt like 4C hair just zigzags all over the place. But this has shown me that when I apply my rice water onto my hair, like, I can actually see some kind of a curl pattern, and I'm just like, what? Like, where did this come from? Rice water is amazing. People talk about rice water for hair growth majorly, but for me, it's not really a thing about hair growth per se. My hair is overall just a lot more manageable, and to me that's a huge plus. Like, I mean, I love long hair. I want my hair to grow. If you don't know, my hair length goal is tailbone. I don't know when I'm gonna get there, but I'm working towards it. But I'm not in a rush. Like, I don't mind if I get there in 5 years, if I get there in 3 years, if I get there in 7 years. Like, I'm not bothered about how long it takes. I'm just working towards it. And to work towards it, I want my hair to be manageable, and rice water is just making my life so much easier. Like, oh my gosh, my hair is so much more manageable. Like, the friction, it reduces the friction between each strand. So once you're detangling your hair, you're less prone to knots and tangles and stuff. So your hair just glides apart, as opposed to like locking into a knot. I hope this makes sense. If you have 4C hair, you understand what I mean. When you're trying to detangle your hair, it can just end up being one knot that you just have to snip off. But with the rice water in my hair, like, with continuous use, it makes it so much easier to like separate the tangles, and it just pulls apart very easily. Honestly, I don't know what it is in the rice water that does this, but it's an excellent detangler. So yeah, I was just wondering, like, how often do you guys comb your hair? Because previously, my first time going natural, I used to comb my hair, like, I don't even know how often I used to comb. I used to comb my hair a little bit more than now, but I've noticed that my hair is so much healthier. My hair is so much like fuller, because I tend to not incur a lot of breakage because I don't comb my hair so much. So let me know in the comment section how often you guys comb your hair. Guys, don't be deceived. This process takes quite a lot of time. Like, I feel like this took probably about an hour to section my hair, saturate it with the rice water, massage it into my scalp, comb, and all of that. But yeah, I'm just giving you guys a bit of a texture shot, and just look how beautiful my hair is, like, if I do say so myself. And that shine, like, why is my hair shiny? It's dirty. Like, why is my hair shiny? That's rice water, you guys. Look, rice water is the actual plug. But I do hear that it doesn't work for everybody. I don't know why it wouldn't work for everybody, honestly. But I hear that some people's hair are like really protein sensitive, and if your hair is protein sensitive, then maybe like rice water is not your bestie. But anyway, that's how much hair I lost from combing, detangling. That's really not a lot at all. So what I like to do is cover my hair with a plastic cap, and I just let it sit for like an hour or as long as I need to. But yeah, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna show you guys how I proceed with the rest of my wash day in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. Okay guys, bye.